Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, everyone. Alright, let's take a look on question February 2022. Questions number 1B. Look at questions number 1B. 1A, guys, this one falls under chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is no longer tested in final exam, guys. Okay, so please refer to question 1B. Okay, questions 1B and also questions 1C. Okay, what is question 1B? So you are given case study. So Aisha commenced her trading business, meaning say she started a business on 15 January 2018 and then closes its account on 31st December annually. So the first sentence is telling you that Aisha is doing her business. She just gets started. Alright, started on 15 January 18 and then closed her account on 31st December. So next, she rented a small offices for administration work. Currently, the business is having problem to keep business record due to insufficient office space. Guys, when you read the second sentence, you know that this is wrong. So when you do business, you need to keep your record for 7 years. This is not optional, but this is a mandatory. Record must be kept for 7 years. And then, she discarded the record. Oh, this is wrong, guys. She discarded means she threw away all the record immediately after submitted its return to IRB. Guys, when you read the case, you know that there are certain offences that she has done here, isn't it? Record must be kept for 7 years because any time in 7 years, you could be selected for tax audit. So when you are called for audit, so you need to submit the documentation. So if you throw away the document, how are you going to prove your claim? Okay. Alright, so look at the required number 1. State Aisha responsibility in regard to business record as required in Section 82 of Income Tax 1967. Guys, even though you don't understand Section 82, you know that record must be kept for 7 years, isn't it? So, how do we answer this one? So, number 1, she is required to keep sufficient record for a period of 7 years. From the end of the year in relation to business income. So, in short, she must keep all the record for 7 years. This one is for number 1. Okay, number 2. Based on the above case, state the applicable section in ITA and penalties if Aisha failed her responsibilities. Guys, this one we are talking about offences and penalty. Offences related to fail to keep record for 7 years. So this one, guys, this is how you answer. When she has committed an offence under Section 119A, upon conviction, she is liable to fine not less than 200 and not more than 10,000 or imprisonment not exceeding 1 year or both. So this is the penalty, alright, and offences under number 2. Okay, next. Okay, look at C. The return submitted by a chargeable person. Again, what is chargeable person? The person who derive income from Malaysia and they need to pay tax in Malaysia. There are many categories. Right. Is deemed to be a notice of assessment. Meaning to say, guys, the moment you click submit your return and then RRB assume that situation, RRB assume that submission, guys, that submission will be notice of assessment. Meaning to say you already submitted your tax. We received your application. Okay, next. The amount of tax assessed is the amount stated in the tax return submitted to the branch. So, discuss briefly composite assessment. Guys, previously, if I'm not mistaken, we already discussed questions related to composite assessment. This one related to original assessment, right? So, how do we answer for this question? Okay, the way you answer for this question, guys, it is like this. Let me show you guys. Alright. So, number one, guys. Number one. A taxpayer made default in furnishing return. Alright. Okay, number two. Taxpayer failed to give notice of touchability. Alright. Number three. A taxpayer made incorrect return. How? By omitting or understating any income. Okay, last but not least, taxpayer gave the wrong information to IRB and it had affected his tax liability. So these four situations will raise composite assessment. Alright? Okay, so I guess that's all for question February 2022. So please try this question. Alright, thank you everyone.